Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to add music on your WhatsApp status. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add some music over on your WhatsApp status, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the specific WhatsApp application. Let's go ahead and tab on this updates option over here. As you see, we do have this option to add our own status over here, and we also have this new update status or updates tab in the home section for our status and channels. If you want to go ahead and add some music on there, let's try to go ahead and tap on add to my status. As you see, we can provide some photos over here and as well as some videos. And in this case, I'm just gonna choose maybe this photo right here, and then I could also choose to add some text to that, could also choose to draw on it, and I could also choose to add some stickers on here. As you see, we have these simple stickers. You also have some simple emojis you could actually choose from, and then you also have the option to share our status to our preferred audiences. In this case, this is the most we could actually do over in our add status option over on WhatsApp, and the option for us to add music on there is still limited for us to not yet do this case. We could actually do a quick workaround on this by tapping on this option and tapping on video, and go ahead and record a quick video as the music is blowing on your background for you guys to add. That's for it. Music or song on your WhatsApp status. Now go ahead and just tap on post. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.